ආයුබෝවන් සුබ දවසක්. මාව ඇහෙනවද සියලුම දෙනාට?
එනවා.
හොඳයි. එහෙනම් සියලුම දෙනාට සුබ දවසක්. අද දවසේ අපි උදෑසන ගණිත විෂය දෙවන ප්‍රශ්න පත්‍රයට අදාළ සිංහල මාධ්‍ය ප්‍රශ්න පත්‍රය සාකච්ඡා කරා. මම හිතන්නේ ඒකට ගොඩක් ඉංග්‍රීසි මීඩියම් ළමයිනුත් සම්බන්ධ වුණා. ඒ වුණත් අපි නියමිත පරිදි හවස් වරුව 8 සිට 11 දක්වා ගණිත විෂය දෙවන ප්‍රශ්න පත්‍රයේ ඉංග්‍රීසි මාධ්‍යයෙන් සාකච්ඡා කිරීම සඳහා කාලය යොදාගෙන තිබුණා පෙර. එම නිසා දැන් එම අවස්ථාව එළඹිලා තියෙනවා. ඉතින් සුපුරුදු පරිදි මේ වැඩසටහන මම මතක් කරන්න ඕන. මේක මෙවර සාමාන්‍ය පෙළ විභාගය අරමුණු කරගෙනම කරන වැඩසටහනක්ම නෙවෙයි. ඊට එහා ගියපු සංකල්පයක් අපි බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා මේ වැඩසටහන මේන් ඔබට ගෙනියමින් 20යි 25 සාමාන්‍ය පෙළ කරන ළමයි සඳහාද ගණිතයේ විෂය තුල ඇති වී තිබෙන ගැටලුකාරී තත්ත්වයන් निराකරණය කර ගැනීමට සතියකට වරක් විශේෂ වැඩසටහනක් පවත්වා ඔවුන් වෙත සහයෝගය දැක්වීම. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ පාර විභාගයේ ළමයිට මෙන්ම 20යි 25 විභාගයේ ළමයි උදෙසාද දීර්ඝ කාලීනව මේ වැඩසටහන සෙනසුරාදා දිනයන්හි පවත්වාගෙන යාමට අපි ඉදිරියේදී බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා. ඒ සම්බන්ධ අපි දැනට නිහාපේම රත්න මැතිතුමා සමග සාකච්ඡා කරමින් පවතිනවා. ඉතින් මම ගෞරවයෙන් ආරාධනා කරනවා දැනට අපත් සමග පුරා වර්ෂ ගණනාවක් කටයුතු කරන කොළඹ රාජකීය විද්‍යාලයේ වසර 15කට වැඩි කාලයක් සේවයේ නිරතව සිටි ජ්‍යෙෂ්ඨතම ගණිතාචාර්යවරයෙකු වුණු දැනටත් විවිධ පාසල් ගණනාවක ගණිත විෂය සංවර්ධන වැඩසටහන් සඳහා උපදේශකවරයෙකු ලෙස සම්බන්ධ වෙන මෙන්ම ලංකාවේ ප්‍රථම වින් මැත්ස් සංකල්පය දියත් කර වින් මැත්ස් ආයතනය පිහිටුවමින් අති විශිෂ්ට සේවයක් ගණිත විෂය වෙනුවෙන් සිදු කළ ගෞරවනීය ආචාර්ය නිහාල් ප්‍රේමරත්න මැතිතුන්ට අද දිනත් මෙම වැඩසටහන ආරම්භ කරන ලෙස මම ගෞරවයෙන් ආරාධනා කරනවා. ඒ වගේම ඔබ සැමකින් කවුරුද ඉල්ලීමක් තිබෙනවා. ස්ක්‍රීන් එක වැරදීමකින් වුණත් ඉරි ඇඳීම් වැනි කටයුතු වල නියැලෙන්න එපා. ඔබට හොඳ අවබෝධයක් තියෙනවා දැන් මේ Zoom තාක්ෂණය භාවිත කිරීම පිළිබඳව. ඒ වගේම යම්කිසි කෙනෙක් මේ වෙන විටත් ප්‍රශ්න පත්‍රය ලබාගෙන නොමැති නම් ඔබට පේනවා දැන් නිහාල් ප්‍රේමරත්න මහත්මයා ඉන තිරය පිටිපස WhatsApp අංකයක් තියෙනවා. ඒ අංකයට ශනික WhatsApp පණිවිඩයක් යොමු කර ප්‍රශ්න පත්‍රය ලබා ගැනීමත් සිදු කළ හැකියි. හොඳයි මම ගෞරවයෙන් ආරාධනා කරනවා නිහාල් සර්ට වැඩසටහන ආරම්භ කරන ලෙස. නිහාල් සර්.
බොහොම ස්තුතියි. සුබ සන්ධ්‍යාවක්. Good evening all of you. I think the morning session we did very well. So many students given the feedback of our work. This is we have to do this today now onwards English medium second paper. Firstly, we have to express some idea of the examination. The subject is a mathematics. We have to face the examination. It's given by the Ministry of Education and National Institute of Education and its department examination. There are three. One is Education Ministry, then National Institute of Education. Finally, Department examination. Right? There are three places. Minister of Education given the authority of N.I.D. for developing the syllabuses and other things. Other things mean teacher guidance, textbooks, so on. Then they are the evaluation part of this. Evaluation part is the department examination. Now you are facing the evaluation part of the examination. Right? The subject of mathematics They are given guideline for the syllabus. Syllabus is guideline. Subject divided major themes in learning for you. Major themes. There are 6 major themes in the subject. The main theme is number 1, numbers. Number 2, algebra. Then number 3, geometry. Number 4, measurements. Measurements. Number 5, another theme is steps and probability. Steps and probability. Number 6, statistics. This is the major theme of the subject. Now you can identify what are the number themes lesson, what are the algebra lesson, what are the geometry lesson like this. As an example, grade 11 textbooks, grade 11, there are 25 lessons for your textbooks, right? I will mention number 1, real number. Real numbers is the number themes. Indices and logarithms. 1 and 2, both numbers. Number 3 is 4, surface area of solids. It is a measurement. Surface area of solid. Volume of a solid. Same manner. It is a measurement. It is a measuring tool, right? Volume and area. 6, binomial expression. It is an algebra theme. This is a lesson including algebra. Areas of then algebraic fraction. It is algebra. Number 8, areas of plane figures between parallel lines. The geometry lesson. This is the first term lesson. Then second term, present areas. The number. Share market. Number. Then midpoint theorem. The geometry lesson. Graph. Algebra. Formula. Algebra lesson. Equiangular triangle. The geometry. Data representation and interpretation. It's a statistics. Geometric progression. Number. Third term. Pythagoras theorem. Geometry. Trigonometry. Means the measurement. Matrices. Algebra. Inequalities. Algebra. Cyclic quadrilateral. Geometry. Tangent. Geometry. Construction. Geometry. Steps. The set and probability. Finally, probability. Here, 6 lessons. Again, 6 lessons. 7 lessons. 3 lessons. 2 and 1. There are 25 lessons in your textbook. Then 22, 24, 25 lessons. Then grade 10 also the same 8 times 6, so on, right? Then examination given the marks, there are 6 themes. Measure numbers They are given 48 marks of the two papers. 8 marks. Algebra, there are 42 marks given by both papers. Geometry, 46 marks. Measurements, 38 marks. Tension probability, 24 marks. Statistics, 22 marks. Now you can count it how many marks in the two papers. 10, 16, 20, 30, remaining 3. 7, 11, 15, 18, 21, 20, 22. 220 marks. If they are given the two papers in the examination, paper 1, part A and B, paper 2, part A and B. Total marks given by the 220, but you have to take 200 marks of the two papers. Why 20 marks is deducted? So there are two questions in paper 2, part A 1 question and part B 1 question you can leave. So you have to write in 10 questions out of 6 out of 5 and 6 out of 5. So that the paper given by 220 marks, but we want to take 200 marks on the two papers. Okay. Now, today we are discussing the paper 2. I will show you a question. Second paper. Part A, part B. Part A, 1 question, numbers. Part B, 1 question. Algebra, 3 questions in part A. Part B, no question. Then geometry, part A, no question. Part B, 3 questions. Measurements, part A, 1 question. Part B, 1 question. Tension probability, part A, no question. Part B, 1. Statistics, part A, 1 question. Part B, no question. Here, 1, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 questions. 1, 4, 5, 6. Then you have to write it down. 6 out of 5 part A. 6 out of 5 part B. Total number of answers given by the 10. Now, today we are giving this type of question papers. I will write down the numbers in paper. Question number 1 is the number theme. Question number 1. Question number 2, algebra. Number 3, algebra. Number 4, selective. Number 4. Question number 4 again. And number 5 again, algebra. Question number 6, measurements. Make question number 1, right? And number 7, again numbers. Question number 8, geometry. Question number 9, geometry. Question number 10, also geometry. Question number 11, measurement again. measurement. Question number 12. Checks and probability. Right? This is the model. Now, today we will discuss all the questions. The question number 1. A person who borrows 240,000 rupees from a bank account to the reducing balance method. So, reducing balance method. Agree to pay in equal monthly installments from 2 years at an interest rate of 20% per annum. How much does he have to pay in installments? Here, first you read well. Number 1, you have to read it. Number 2, you have to identify what are the question given data and what are the finding out final. Here, it is a percentages, number things. We are calculating an interest rate. Interest rate calculating, there are 3 methods. Number 1 is simple interest rate. Simple interest rate. Number 2, compound interest rate. Number 3, diminishing balance method or reducing balance method. There are 3 methods of calculating the interest. The question given by the third one, reducing balance method. A person who borrows 240,000. The loan amount is 240,000 rupees from a bank according to the reducing balance method. Agree to pay in equal monthly installments from 2 years. Here 2 years equal how many months? 1 year, 12 months. 2 years, 24 months. This is the period of time we have to pay for the settle the loan. 24 months. Then interest rate is 20% per annum. Annually 20%. This is the data given by the question. Now you have to find the how much does he have to pay in installments. You have to find the installment value of a month. අපි මේ ගානේ අන්තිමට හොයන්න දෙන එක මාසයකට ගෙවන්න ඕන වාරිකය. Monthly installment. First step. The loan amount is this. First you find loan amount per month. Loan amount per month. Total amount is 240,000. We have to pay in 24 equal monthly installments. Now divided by 24. Then monthly we have to pay only the loan amount is 24 times 1, 4 zeros. Rupees 10,000. Without interest. We have to pay 10,000 into 24 months. You can pay this amount. Then you have to find how much we have to pay for interest. Reducing balance method. The meaning of this, First month you have to pay 240,000 to interest. May mulu mudurna first month ki apu given. Second month 10,000 reduce. It means 24 minus 10 means 230,000. Second month again interest take up loan never. Third month again 220,000 like this. Then the calculating the interest is monthly we have to pay 10 months 10,000 rupees. We have to find the interest for that. Number 2, interest per month unit. Month unit means 10,000 to 20% of the interest rate per annually. We have to find the monthly divided by 12. Divide by 12 or multiply by 1 over 12. Now, double 0 simplify. 4 times 3. 12 to 4 times 3. 20 to 4 times 5. 100 into 5 is 500. Divide by 3. Don't simplify it, not now. Month unit interest per month unit 500 upon 3. Then you have to find how many month units we have to pay for the interest. First month 10,000 times how much? 24. Second month 23. Third month 10,000 part 22. You have to addition these all parts. It is a number pattern 24, 23, reducing balance pattern, reduce it all. First month 24 month interest rate calculate karna. After first month 23 months calculate karna. Then 22. We can find the number of month units. Number of month units. It is a progression N upon 2 A plus L. It's a arithmetic progression 24, 23, 21. Sum of these all values 24 over 2, 24 plus 1. First month එකේ 24ක් කොටස් තියෙනවා අන්තිමට එකක් වෙනවනේ to find last one day. So 12 multiplied by 25. We don't remain 2, 5. 30, 300 month unit. The meaning of that, we have to pay for the interest 300 of this. Interest per month unit 500 over 3 into 300 parts. So the total, you can find the total interest. Number 4, total interest. 500 upon 3 is interest per month unit. There are 300 month units in the schedule. Here 3 times 1, 3 times 100. 500 into 100, 50,000. We have to pay as interest is 50,000. Without interest, monthly we have to pay 10,000. Now then 50,000 divided by 24. how much we have to pay monthly. Equal monthly installment, so that we have to divide 24. 24 times 2. 48. 50 minus 48 is 2. Take 0. 22, no. 24. Then again another 0. 200. 8. 8 times 4, 32. Remaining 3. 8 times 2, 16 plus 3, 90. Remaining 8. 8 into 24 times 3. 72. Remaining 8.3. Decimal growth, sir. Recurrent decimal. 2083.33 seconds. Then finally you have the monthly installment 10,000 plus 2,083 and 33 cents. 33,38021. Monthly installment is 12,083.3. රුපියල් 12,083.73 කියන අදහස. This is the question. Final answer is this answer. So you have to find first loan amount per month, interest per month unit, number of month unit, that amount multiplied by total number of month unit. You can take the total interest divided by, you can get the plus rate. සමාන මාසික වාරික දෙකෙන් flat rate එක ගන්න මේ divide කරනවා 24 වලින්. Interest එක එනවා monthly 2,083.33 cents. Without interest, loan amount is 10,000. Altogether, final answer is number theme making and part A එකේ question එක තමයි මේ තියෙන්නේ. ඒක interest rate එකෙන් අහලා තියෙන්නේ. Diminishing balance method. Number theme එකේ තියෙන අනිත් question එක තමයි question number 7. අපි ඒක ඊළඟට කරමු. Number theme එකේ question දෙක කරලා ඉවරයි අපි. Right? First question එක then the part B question number 7. It is a progression, arithmetic and geometric progression. I will give you 5 minutes time to do. You start first to read well. They are given the diagram. 20 models of conical shape prepared for a decoration are arranged in the ascending order of heights. තියෙන්නේ අපේ decoration එකක් වගේ carnival එකක් වගේ එකකට පන්සලක පල්ලියක උත්සවයක් වගේ හිතන්නකෝ decoration එකක්. The cross section of the first 3 models are shown in the figure. Cross section එක අපිට එක හදලා තියෙනවා. The height of the first model is 15 centimeters. And every model thereafter is 5 centimeters higher than the previous model. Clearly, the first take 15 centimeters, then the second one is 5 centimeters higher than the previous. 15 plus 5, 20 centimeters. They are shown it. Then next one is 20 plus 5, 25 like this. There are 20 models of the decoration. relation. මේ වගේ කොටස් 20ක් තියෙනවා. they are arranging ascending order. උස අඩු එකේ ඉඳලා උස වැඩි එකට තමයි පිළිවෙලට යන්නේ. You have to create a picture of your mind. Then there are 3 questions, part A. If you finish the work, you can put the answer in chat box. If you have problem in the question, you can ask or you can put the hand mark in the your text like this. If you finish 1 or 2 questions, given the answer, you can put the chat box, personal box. I can see the answers. Question number 7. Then first and 7 question are number theme is numbers. Number. One and 7. Now finish 1, then 7. Question number 7. Is the ground level. First decoration, 15 centimeters height. Second one, 20 centimeters height. Third one, 25 centimeters. Then finally, this is first, second, third, then so on, finally 20th. Right. 20 modules. Conical shape is it like a cone. This is a cross section, is the cone, right? Question number 1, what propagation do the heights of the model follow? First is 15, second one is 20, then 25. So, common difference is 5, so that it's the arithmetic progression. Progression. AP, short form meaning. Geometric progression means GP. arithmetic progression. You have to write the common difference is 5. You have to mention it. Then arithmetic progression. Number 2, find the height of the 20th model, final model, like 20th. Then it means you have to find the 20th there. You have arithmetic progression, you can find the nth term is first term plus minus 1 into b. This is the formula. Then n for 20. First term is 15 plus n is 20th term minus 1, common difference is 5. Now simplify this. 15 plus 20 minus 5 is 19. Multiply by 5. You have to do the priority of multiplication. First, 15 plus 5 times 9, 45. Remaining 4. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4, 9. 95 plus 15, 110. 20th model is 110 centimeters of the height. Second one. Third, it is required to insert a thin tube vertically through the axis of each model in such a way that one end of the tube is on the ground level and the other end is 10 centimeters above the top of the model. Show that 5 3 meters tubes are sufficient for inserting tubes in all 20 models. Here, using this type of, this is the conical shape object, the cone. Then, these are, they are insert the tube vertically through the axis of each model in such a way that one end of the tube is on the ground level and the other end is 10 centimeters above the top. Top එක මෙතන උඩට එන්න 10 centimeter. මොකද කියන්නේ? A tube එක. යකට කොල්ලක් කියන්නේ iron rod like this. Tube. Second එකකට ඒ වගේ දාන්න. 10 centimeters out. 25 එනම් මේක තව 10ක් උඩට ගිහලා තියෙනවා. ෆයිනල් එකේ තේරෙනවා. මෙතන 10ක් උඩට යනවා. අහනවා ඒ වගේ tube 20ක් දාලා 20. It is required to insert a thin tube vertically through the axis of each model in such a way that one end of the tube is the ground level and the other end is 10 centimeters above the top of the model. Show that 5 3 meters tube are sufficient for the inserting tubes in all 20 models. Now this is another progression. When first tube length 25 centimeters. 15 plus 10. Next second leg 30. Third leg 35. So finally make a length take 110, another 10 is 120. So what make a terms take another one third tube again first second 25 centimeters height. Second take 30. Third take 35. 20th is 120. Another progression. We have to find the sum of all the tubes. First term and last term we know. So N over 2 A plus L. First question make you have to use this. First second. First also the using that. Means 20 at the 20 divided by 2. First term is 25 centimeters. Last one height is 120. 20 divided by 2 is 10. But that means multiplication. 120 plus 20 by 145. Multiply by 10, 1450 centimeters. Means 14.5 meters divided by 100. Meter, they are asking this. Show that 5 3 meters tube. 5 3 meters tube is 15 meters. Meter tube 3 meters into 5, altogether 15 meters. We want 14.5 meters, all of 20. It is sufficient for this, sufficient for the 14.4 less than 15. The 5 tubes are enough for our decoration. This is the answer. Part A. Part B is GP, geometric progression. Simple thing. If the seventh term of a geometric progression with common ratio -2 is 192. Find the first term of the progression. Okay. Now, not given the process. We don't know first term. We don't know first term. We don't. Second term, no. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Seventh term is given. It is 192. But they are given common ratio is -2. Here, always geometric progression becomes first term into R. Second term is AR. Third term is AR to the power 2. Next one is AR to the power 3. AR to the power 4. AR to the power 5. It is AR power the 6 side. The term is AR n -1. Here, first term is A, second term AR means 2 minus 1 is 1. Third term 3 minus 1 is 2, like this. This is the formula. Now, seventh term is given 192. We have to find A. We don't know. But the common difference is -2. Common ratio -2. N is 7 minus 1. They are given. Seventh term is, if the seventh term of a geometric progression with common ratio is 2, is 192. Find the first term of the progression. 192 equal A multiplied by minus 2 to the power 7 minus 1 is 6. Then minus 2 multiplied by 6 times. Here, like this. It is positive value. So, minus minus plus. Minus minus plus. Again plus. 2 into 2, 4. 8, 16, 32, 64. 192 equal 8 into 64. It is positive. Now, both sides divided by 64. Why we are dividing? It is a net multiplication, right? A equal 64 times 3. First term is 3. 3 times 4, 12, 1, 8, 9. First term is 3. You can check the answer. 3 into 2, 6. 6 into minus 6. Plus 12. Minus 24. Plus 48. Minus 96. 196. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you can divide by 2. 192 divided by 2 is 96. Minus. Divide by 2, 48. Divide by minus 2, 24. Divide by 2, plus 12. Divide by 2, minus 6. Plus 3. Divide you can take this is the way using the formula. Okay, then number things 1 and 7 now finish. Then do the geometry, not algebra we will do. 2, 3 and 5. Those 3 are algebra. Question number 2, you have to, it is some errors, you can do this. Question number 2. An incomplete table required to draw the graph of the function y equal 3 minus x minus 2 to the power 2 is given below. Here, the table is from, you have to write it down. X and y value are given minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Minus 1 is equal minus 6. Minus 6. 0 you have to find. It is a blank. 1 to plus 2. 2 to 3. 3 to 2. 4 to minus 1. Then minus 6. मैं values डालना पेपर के दिन का वेलांस करता हूँ ये दिन वैल्यू आता है पुणे वैल्यू x value is minus 1 y is minus 6 0 you have to find 1 corresponding to 2 x value is 2 corresponding to 3 x value is 3 again 2 x value is 4 minus 1 5 minus 6. Now draw the first you find the value of y when x equals 0. The equation of the graph is 3 minus x minus 2 to the power 2. Now you have to substitute x for 0. 3 minus 0 minus 2 to the power 2. Y equal 3 minus 0 minus 2 is minus 2 to the power 2. Clearly, you find the answer 3. The subtraction is there. Minus 2 to the power 2 is plus 4. Then 3 minus 4 is minus 1. You have to show the method. Then put the value with the table again down. Minus 1. Then draw the graphs of the function in your graph sheet. Graph sheet like use kalam adina bada asam me wala uttar diyana ba. Then you have to use the graph sheet or square roll book. Do that. Abhishek's answer is correct. Good. A equal 3 kilo Abhishek dala dina. Very good. Anyone, if you can take the answer, you can put the chat box in personal message. I can see this. Right. Draw the graph of the function. Here -1 to -6. -1, -6 is the point. 0, -1. 1 plus 2. 2 minus plus 3. 2 square is 2, I is plus 3. 3 again plus 2. 4 minus 1. 5 minus 6. This is the graph. Right. Okay. Then part 3. Write down using now you have to use the graph. Question about maximum value of the function. Maximum value is plus 3. Part 3, simple A. Maximum value. Plus 3. Equation of the axis of time. Here, this is the vertex point. This goes to the 2. X equal to. Part B, symmetrical axis is x equal to. It's an equation, right? That is why x equal to. Then write down the function y equal another one. This is not right. Y equal 5 plus minus x plus 2 to the power 2. Here, now we are drawing the y equal 3 minus x minus 2 to the power 2. So that the maximum value is 3. This is the value. Symmetrical axis is x equal, if the minus 2 is the equation, the perpendicular square minus 2, then the value is plus 2. Similar to that, y equals 5 minus, if we are drawn to the 3 minus x minus 2 to the power. 5 minus x plus 2 to the power 2. Now this equation or this function maximum value is plus 5. Plus 5. Maximum value plus 5. Axis of symmetry. If the minus 2 becomes plus 2, plus 2 becomes minus 2. Find the approximation value of root 3. You have used the graph. Now, we are draw the graph with y equal 3 minus x minus 2 to the power. We think that you have to find the root 3 value. Root 3 value for x scale number. Root 3 value is equal x. We don't know. We have to find it. We have to find the x. The value, the line is, these are the values. X values to this line exactly. The x-axis always y value should be 0. The x-axis take over the any value of y is 0. 0, 0. 1 0. That's 0.20. Okay. On the line, y value is 0. Y-axis is good, x value should be 0. Now, y is 0. I have to explain 3 minus x minus 2 to the power. We are taking the x equal root 3. Root 3 value should be x in a unknown term member. That is why we are taking y should be 0. Then negative x minus 2 to the power 2 is taking the right hand side. Positive x minus 2 to the power 2 equal 3. Negative is positive, right? Then you can take the x minus 2 to the power 2 root. See, 2, 3. Both sides take the root. The x minus 2 to the power root is x minus 2. Root 3. Now, y value is 0. What are the x values? Here you can find your graph. This is one value, 0.3, I think. This is 3.7. When the x-axis on the x-axis, we'll make the graph by x-axis. The y value should be 0, x is 3.7. Y is 0, x is 0.3. Now you can compute x for 3.7 minus 2 equal to 3. 3.7 minus 2 is 1.7. Root 3. Another way you can substitute x minus 2 equal root 3. X value is 0.3 minus 2. Minus negative value root 3 negative again minus 1.7. The root 3 value can negative or positive 1.7. You can write in up to the positive value. This is the algebra theme. Algebra theme, question number 2. Then go to the question number 3. Algebra right? Then 3. Solve the equation and do the value. I will give you 3 minutes time. Simple equation as the. Have you finished anyone? Yes. Body is not clear. I will write in maximum size. Question number 3. 2x plus 3 over 2 times 2x plus 1 minus x minus 1 over 2x plus 1 equal 1 over 6. The equation. Now these are the algebraic fraction. The denominator is 2 times 2x plus 1. This is only 2x plus 1. You can take the equal denominator, multiply by 2 and multiply by 2. Both. Right? Then you get the common denominator should be 2 times 2x plus 1. This is same 2x plus 3 minus 2 times x is again 2x minus into minus plus 2 times it is plus minus into plus minus 2 times 1 is 2 equal 1 over 3. What will you do? The denominator should be equalized. If this is 2 times 2x plus 1, only 2x plus 1, both multiplied by 2. Equivalent fraction. Then minus 2x and plus 2x simplified is 0. Positive 3, negative 2, plus 3, minus 2, answer is 1. Over 4 times plus 2 over the bracket. 2 times 2 is 4x, 2 times 1 is 2. Equal 1 over 6. Yes. The meaning of this, left hand side and right hand side are equal. Numerator should be equal. So that denominator also equal. Then 4x plus 2 equals 6. This one is equal. That is why I am taking this one is equal. 4x equal 6 minus 2. 4x equal 6 minus 2 is 4. Both sides divided by 4. X equal 1. Equal 1. Do the second B, part B. If you want a paper, you have to take a message of 00037505338. 07037505338. You take a message. Part B. The breadth of a rectangular lamina is x plus 2 units. Its length is twice as breadth. Breadth එක වගේ දෙගුණයක් තමයි length එක. You have to draw the small diagram. Okay. The rectangular lamina. The breadth is x plus 2. The length of the lamina is twice as breadth. Breadth එක වගේ දෙගුණයක් 2 times x plus 2. Answer and express the length of the lamina in terms of x. 2 times x plus 2, or you can simplify this. 2 into x, 2x. 2 times 2 is 4. You can open the bracket, this is the answer. Both are correct, right? Length. Number 2. If the area of the lamina is 12 square units, okay, square units means or square centimeters, square millimeters, square meters, square kilometers, like this, right? මොනවාහරි ඒකක වලින් වර්ග වෙලා ඉන්න එකක්. 12 square units. Show that it satisfies the quadratic equation x squared plus 4x minus 2 equals 0. The area of the is 12. Now you can take the area equal this. Area means if the area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Length is 2x plus 4. Breadth is x plus 2. The area equals 12. Simplify this. You can take that quadratic equation. Simplify කළ බලන්නකෝ ඒක එනවද කියලා. Binomial expression. 2x term multiplied by x. 2x to the power 2. 2 times x into x, x to the power 2. Again, 2x multiplied by second term is 2. 2x times 2 is plus 4x. Again, you have to multiply by 4 times x. It means 4x. 4 times 2 plus 8 equals 12. By this. 2x to the power 2, only one term. These are the same term, x terms. Then 4x plus 4x equal plus 8x plus 8. The 12 value taken this side, negative 12 equals 0. Then you can increase 2x power 2 plus 8x, positive 8, negative 12. The greatest value should be negative. 12 minus 8 is minus 4 equals 0. All terms divided by 2. 2 only simplify it. It should be 2. To the power 2 plus 8 divided by 2 is 4x minus 4 divided by 2. 0 divided by any value becomes 0. Okay. It is becoming x power 2 plus 4x minus 2 equals 0. Okay. Then simplify this. Solve this. Third part. Using the method of computing the squares or any other method. Any other method means you can use the formula or factors. Factors and formula. Computing square. Again, computing square is equal. X to the power 2 plus 4x equal plus 2 minus of the right hand side. Then perfect square method. You have addition. The coefficient value of x is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. The perfect square becomes this is 2 to the power 2. And 2 to the power 2 value, then they will add 4. X power 2 plus 4x plus 4. 2 plus 4. Both sides added. This is the, we have the addition value. Now, perfect square is x squared root is x, 4 root is 2, positive. 6. Quadratic equation එක අපේ graph එකේ වගේ වෙනවා same the graph. X plus 2 to the power 2 root 6 root positive or negative. This root is x plus 2 plus or minus root 3 value is this here 2.45. Two values are taken. X equal plus or minus 2.45. Positive 2 becomes negative 2. One value means positive 2.45 minus 2. The other value is negative 2.45, again negative 2. Clearly, positive or negative both 2.45. Minus 2 is fixed, negative, right? Positive 2.45 minus 2, negative 2.45, negative 2. Now answer is positive 0.45. Then now x equal negative 4.45. If it is length of the side of a square, you can't take negative value. It is only positive value. And answer is 0.45. Not asking question. Algebra, there are two and three. Next question is fifth one. First, third, fifth one. That's algebra. Start it. Question number 5. In a parking lot for parking motor cars and motorcycles, the daily parking fee for a motor car is twice that for a motorcycle. On a certain day, the parking lot owner receive an income of rupees 1,600 from 15 motor cars and 50 motorcycles. Taking the X rupees as the daily fee for a motor car and Y rupee as the daily fee for motorcycle, construct a pair of simultaneous equations containing X and Y. Simultaneous equation samay yamne. You can take a simple equation, but they are telling simultaneous. Right. Taking the daily pair of motor car. Motor car price is rupees X. First you write this X. Then motorcycle. P is Y rupees. Rupees Y. Then first line. The daily parking fee for a motor car is X. Twice the motorcycle means X equal to Y. Motor car price of motor car is equal to 2 times motorcycle. Question 1. On a certain day, the parking lot owner received 1,600 rupees from 15 motor cars. 15x. 15x plus addition 51 equal 1,600. Two equation, 2 marks given by the examination. Okay. Then you have to solve this. The easiest method is now already x equal to y. You can take x to 2y. X equal to y, substitute for the second part. Substitute. 15 times x should be 2y into 2y plus 50y equal 1,600. 15 times 2y is 30y plus 50y equal 1,600. 30 plus 50 is 80y. 1,600 divided by 80. Y equal 0 and 0 simplify 8 times 2. 20 rupees. The price of per motorcycle is rupees 20. Now x equal 2 times y is 20. 40 rupees. First go okay, second go solving the pair of equation. Find the daily parking fee for a motor car and motorcycle. Okay, then section Y. If the income from M motor cars, M means number of any values. Motor cars 50ක් හරි 70ක් හරි ඒවට ගානක්. ඒක M කියන්නේ M is an integer, right? Motorcycle N that had been parked on a certain day was 3 rupees. Right? An expression for the T in terms of N. It is motor cars M, it is 40 M. The car making 40 rupees. Number of cars M. One cycle is 20 rupees. There are N motorcycles, 20 N equal T. Now you can substitute N M for 15 and N for 50. The answer should be 1,600. This is the equation. Part B, factorize the details. 1 plus S minus D minus ST. You can take pair of factors. May take a venom may 1 plus S common factor is 1. Remaining 1 plus S here 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times S is then minus T. Minus T times 1 is minus T. Minus T times plus minus into plus is minus S. Again 1 plus S common. Common factor remaining part is 1 minus T. Algebra, there are 3 questions. Finish. Then go on to the geometry. Geometry construction එක පොඩ්ඩක් තියලා පුතා අනිත් දෙකට යන්න. Question number 9 and question number 10. First go to the 9 question. First to draw the diagram in clearly in your answer sheet. Okay. Then do this. I will give you support. Abhishek, extend Y20 no. You check again. Very good. You given the answer. X20, X, Y20, X not 10, X40. Twice the Y ne Buddha.
සර් මයික් එක අන්මියුට් වෙලා මං හිතන්නේ සර්ගේ.
Question number 9, the parallelogram. Here, if you doing the geometric question, you have to read the theorems. There are 45 theorems in the syllabus, 45 theorems. Then parallelogram. Parallelogram, there are 5 connections, 5. It is a, you can take theorems. Number 1, definition of parallelogram. Anyone can tell the definition of parallelogram? Parallelogram එකක් කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා, how you define it? දන්න කෙනෙක් කතා කරලා කියන්න. Parallelogram මතකද? Triangle. How you define a triangle? No answer. Triangle is a closed figure of minimum side of, including minimum side. The triangle is a first plane figure. Closed figure එකක් draw කරොත්, we want 3 sides, 3 straight line joining first plane figure. Then quadrilateral, 4 sides of a figure. Then, yes, Abhishek, he is given the answer. We'll try take. Parallelogram, a closed plane figure with 4 sides with 2 sides which are parallel to each other and which no, so many, only the definition. You are given the all features of parallelogram. Definition is, if a quadrilateral opposite sides are parallel, is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel. This is the definition of a parallelogram. Any quadrilateral, opposite sides are parallel. It's a parallelogram. You draw a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel. That's all. The parallelogram. If opposite sides are parallel of a quadrilateral, another 4 features are there. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Second. Third, diagonal bisect by each other. This part to equal this part, this to equal this. Fourth one, each diagonal bisect the area of parallelogram. Here, if a parallelogram, number 1, opposite sides are parallel. Number 2, opposite sides are equal. Number 3, opposite angles are equal. Number 4, each diagonal bisect the area of parallelogram. Number 5, each diagonal bisect by each other. Diagonal bisect by each other. There are 5 features of the parallelogram. Then if a question given the PQRS parallelogram, all there are 5 features are, you can use the argument. For the diagram. The diagram coming out to P Q R S. P S to parallel Q R. P Q to parallel S R. P R is a diagonal. Then S T join is the diagonal. Question number 1. Show that the triangle RST, triangle RST and triangle PQR equal in area. You have to show this. Here, the theorem using each diagonal bisect by the area of the parallel. So here, PQR triangle, area of PQR equal area of SRP. Why? PR diagonal bisect the area of parallelogram, area of PQR. PRQ here. PR. That's the RST. You have to join RT. Then you can write this way. Triangle SRP equal in area. Triangle SRT. In the reason. RP equal area SRT. Same base and in between same parallel lines. Same base is SR. Yeah. SR, same base. In between SR parallel PT. Then SRP equal PQR, SRP equal SRT. So that triangle PQR equal in area triangle SRT is the proof. PQR equal is 0. First answer, only 3 lines. Number 2. So that the triangle PST and the quadrilateral QERS. You have got QERS. You have to join in this. That is Q diagonal equivalent. QTRS equivalent. You have to show triangle PST equal in area of quadrilateral QTRS. Yeah. triangle PQS equal in area triangle SRQ. SQ is a diagonal. Two diagonal එක අරපුවා මේ triangle දෙක area equal වෙන මොන හදන්න මේ triangle SRQ equal PSQ. මේක equal in area. Diagonal each diagonal bisect the area of triangle. Then QTS triangle QTS equal in area triangle QTR. QTR. QTS. One shade of QTS. Equal in area QTR. Why QT is a common base in between parallel lines. QT common base. QT parallel SR. PQS plus QTS left hand side triangle PQS plus triangle QTS equal triangle SRQ plus triangle QTR. PQS, this triangle, plus QTS. Answer is PST. ये देखो सामने है PST triangle equal. Triangle SRQ. SRQ plus TRQ. ये देखेंगे ना QTRS quadrilateral QTRS equal. You have used the two theorems. Diagonal bisect by the area of parallelogram. Same base in between same parallel lines. The triangle areas are equal. Quadrilateral parallelogram also equal. Number 9 solution. Then go to the number 10. First you read the question and mark the diagrams in the data. You have to copy the diagram using the compass and straight edge. Diagram එක හරියටම අඳගන්න ඕන නැත්නම් ගණන් වරදිනවා. They are given the AB is a diameter in the circle. You have to draw the AB to center of the circle. The center of the circle එක හරහාම යවන්න ඕනේ එතකොට diagram එක. Otherwise you can't take the answers. Number 10, AB is the diameter in a circle whose center is O. Produce BQ and RA. Chords meet at P. Again, BQ and RA are chords of a circle. Then both two produce that meet point P. APQ angle given the 35 degrees and ABR given 22 degrees. Question number 1, copy the diagram and enter the given data in it. The center of the circle O. AB is a diameter. Is A, B is the diameter of the circle. Total line is radius of the circle. R. R A joining a shape. A, B. R. This extend. BQ RA in the point P. Q. Then B R joining. Again Q R. Then APQ. APQ. Dividing. Then ABR. ABR 22 degrees. Is angle. You can use color pen or pencil. Color pen is done for a command. Number 1 finished. Name two right angle triangles. The theorem. Angle of semicircle is 90. Theorem. If one side is diameter, then 90 degrees. Angle of semicircle is 90. It is a right angle triangle. Other side should be right angle. Any point you draw the right angle triangle. One side is a diameter of the circle. Diameter side there, right angle went on. Lie on the other point is circle. One triangle. If is diameter, then this angle is 90. They are the one A B R. It's a right angle triangle. Another one B R P. B R P. They are right angle. B R A B R P. They are right angle. Same angle. Number 3. Find the value of BAR and PBY by considering the sum of the angles of each of those angles. Here, find the value of BRA. BR. First to find the angle diagram BRA. BR lebih bambi. Find CAR. BAR. This 90 plus 22 plus BAR. BAR equal 180 minus these two, or 90 minus 22. By the right angle triangle means one angle should be done. ARB is a triangle. The sum of the three angles should be 180. One is 90, other two is another 90. Now this is 20. The remaining one is 90 minus 20. Equal 8 to 68. PBR. PBR. P. Same. PBR. This angle. 90, 35, then remaining. Again, 90 minus 35 is PBR. Minus 35. This 5, 55. Consider the sum of the angles of each of the triangle. Fourth question. Find the value of R for B by giving reasons. You are given the reasons. R O B. This angle R O B. Here, this is 22. OB and OR equal in length. Why? They are radius. Now this is isosceles triangle. If the two sides are equal in triangle, then the opposite angles are equal. This is 22, this also 22. Now remaining is 180 minus 44. 180 minus 44. 6, 7, 4, 3, 136 are over. Interior angles of isosceles triangle. Sum of interior angles of isosceles triangle. These are the last one. Question number 5. Find the value of BRQ. R Q. B R Q. This is 5 R A B 68. This is also 68. Think of information. I will still say O A and O are radius of the center. To find this R A B 68. Also 68. And then A B R Q. Make it down. B R Q. This part. Example B R Q. We find this total 55 P B R 55. 55 minus 23 3 3 33. Here angle on same segment. This is 33. This also 33. Mechanical 33. And make a care 90 minus 30. P R Q. 90 minus 33. I will explain again. 7 57. Here circle. මෙන්න මේ angle එක 33. මේක 22 නිසා මේ total එක 55. මේ තියෙන arc එකක්. angle එක same මේ segment එකෙන්මයි මෙතෙන්ට යන්නේ. ඒතකොට මේ දෙකම equal මෙයා 30 තියෙනවා මෙයා 30. අපිට මේක යන්නේ. මේ මුළු එකම 9. එහෙනම් ඒකෙන් 33 subtract කරා 57. Question number 10. Geometry 2 questions. Construction එක තමයි board එක හරියට. Then measurements. Question number 11. Measurements වලින් එනවා question number 11. කොහොමද පැත්තෙත් වෙනවා එකක්. It is question number 6. Having 11. Having a log table on this object, cylinder and cone. The shape and measurements of a glass vessel are given in the figure. A cone-shaped cavity of radius. Wow, cavity එකක් තියෙනවා. glass එකක්. cylindrical glass එකක්. This is a cavity. කුහරයක් තියෙන එක ඇතුලේ. This මේ කුහරය. The radius of R, height is A. Same radius, cylinder के height එක 2A. And 2A. Number 1, write the volume of the cylinder whose radius is R and the height is 2A in terms of 5A. Volume of a cylinder. Cylinder के volume में हमने 5R per H. 5 R is same. R power 2 H is 2A. Translate of it. Value is 2 5 R power 2A. 5 R 2 5 R to the power 2A. Volume of a cylinder. Write the volume of the cone-shaped cavity in terms of 5A and R. Volume of cone equal 1/3 of 5R square. 1/3 of a cylinder. Same radius and same height. Cylinder 1/3 of the volume. Substitute 1/3 5 R is R to the power 2 H is A. That's all. Number 3. A vessel is filled with colored water. Water complete picture. මේ හරියට එන්නේ නැහැ වතුරයි මේක උඩට නැමිලා නෙකින් කැවිටි එකක්. ඒකෝට සිලින්ඩර් එකේ මේ උඩට කැවිටි එක අයින් වෙනවා. A vessel filled with colored water is the maximum water capacity that can be included in it is V. Complete capacity එක V කියලා අරගෙන show that V equal that. What the measure total volume making when cavity के volume में subtract करो. Capacity of cylinder. Capacity again 2 5 R power 2A minus 1/3 5 R power 2A. The denominator is 1, denominator is 3. Common denominator is 3. 3 to 1 times 3. So 3 times 2, 6. 5 R power 2A minus 3 divided by 3 is 1. It is 5 R power 2A. Same term. 6. 6 times 5R square A. 1 times 5R square A. That is 6x minus x like this. 6x minus x. 6AB minus AB. 5x. This is 5ab. Same manner. 6 5 squared 5r squared a and 5r squared a. Then 5 5r squared a divided by 2. Okay. Then section probability. Question number 12. I will give you time today. Last question. You have to do the answers. The simple thing for you. Draw the Venn diagram and incomplete Venn diagram containing the information about the type of bank accounts maintained by individuals in a sample of 100 retirees is shown below. 100 තමයි එතකොට ඉන්නේ මෙතන කොහොම. Universal set is 100. Fixed deposit account holders, the subset of this savings account holders, intersection of the fixed deposit, current account holders, all retirees. Diagram. Fixed deposit. Subset of the savings. Intersection onto this current. Universal 100 retirees. They are given this 30. Number 1. Describe in words the subset in which there are 30 elements according to the diagram. 30 elements of the thing. Only current account holders. Then current account is 30. Only current account holders. Number 1. Number 2. If the number of those who maintain current account is 40. Total number of current account is 40. Already only current account holder is 30. Remaining 10 are there. 10. Then what is the number of those who maintain both fixed deposit and current account? 10. Diagram එක mark කරන්න. 10. Third, if the number of those who maintain fixed deposit account is 65. Fixed deposit is 0.65. The 10 is including this. 35, 65 again I have made. Remaining 55. Then what is the number of those who do not maintain any of the given three types of account? 65 may completely. 10 to equal 65 plus 30, 95. Remaining 5. May mark the turon no I no counts. Fixed deposit savings current account that number 5 park in now. Who do not maintain any of the given three types of account? 5%. Number 4. If the number of those who maintain accounts of only one type is 50. One type is current account or fixed deposit. Savings can't be done. Why? Savings, if any savings account holder, we have fixed deposit also. The subset again fixed deposit, definitely the other. Right? Then 30 is 1, total 50, remaining 20, only 50%. And savings account is 30 altogether 65 in the 35. Savings account are named finally. If the number of those who maintain accounts of only one type is 50, that is why we take 12. 20 plus 30 is 50. What is the number of those who maintain savings account? 35. Another 2. It is later revealed that කියන අපි examine කරනවා පස්සේ ආපහු check කරනවා වගේ reveal ඒක ඔයගොල්ලෝ revision කරනවා වගේ revealed that in obtaining the information from the retirees, a certain retiree who maintains only a savings account has been mistakenly recorded as also maintaining a fixed deposit account. May 100% ලවරන් අපි කොල්ලොන් ඒක ගැන examine කරනකොට යාළුවට mistake එකක් වෙලා තියෙනවා. What is the mistake? Who maintain only a savings account. Savings account විතරක්ම තියෙනවා ඉතල only a savings account. මේක දැන් only savings account නෑ. ඒක ඔක්කොම fixed deposit තියනවා කියලා දෙන්නේ. වෙයි ඉන්නවලු කෙනෙක්. Mistaken recorded as also maintaining a fixed deposit. Only a savings account. And incomplete Venn diagram drawn to include the correct information. Here they are drawn to this type of Venn diagram. Copy the Venn diagram and suitable name the relevant test tube. Completely, this is the fixed deposit. The fixed general method. Fixed. Why this intersection is maybe savings. It is current account, fixed deposit. Savings on the economic fixed only savings account. Then 35 are there. 34. With 35 is maybe only savings 34. 10. 30. Only fixed deposit 20. 5. 100 and not 40, 50, 60, 500. Only savings 1. Fixed deposit and savings account 34. Only fixed deposit 20. Fixed deposit and current account 10. Only current account 30, except these 3, 5. Including the correct information that the number of elements in each subset in the Venn diagram. This is the answer. Right. Now, I think we have finished all the 10 questions. You have given the time to 3 hours time to do the 10 questions. We did not 3 hours, 2 and 40 hours, 40 minutes. 2 hours and 40 minutes we can finish. Then they explain. Otherwise, 2 hours or 2.5 hours, you can finish the whole paper. Nuan,
ඔව් සර්.
we have then ඉවර කරන්න හදන්නේ මම ප්‍රශ්න 10ක් කරා. අනිත් එක අපිට මේ බෝඩ් එකේ මේ වෙලා කරන් බෑ කන්ස්ට්‍රක්ෂන් එකයි අර ලොග් ටේබල් එක බලන එකයි පොඩ්ඩක් ළමයින්ට මේව කරන එක ටිකක් අමාරු ඒක. එතකොට complete question 10ක් කරා මම හිතන්නේ මේ කොළඹ ගොඩක් හොඳට වැඩ කරා. අභිෂේක් කියන එක ළමෙක් නම් උත්තරයක් දෙන්න chat box එකට ගොඩක් දැම්ම අනිත් අය දාන්න දැම්මලා තමයිලට. එයා දැම්මා ටිකට මගේ උත්තර. ඔව්. එයා ටිකක් හොඳයි වගේ කියන්නේ අපිට answers දානවා කියන්නේ එයා මේ වැඩසටහන ඉන්නවනේ අනිත් අයත් ඉන්නේ නැති. අපි දැන් කරන්න එන වැඩ කියමු. අපි ඕගොල්ලන්ට බදාදට පේපර් එකක් දානවා. ප්‍රශ්න 6යි. O level model ප්‍රශ්න 6ක් දානවා. මේ themes 6ම වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්, themes 4කින් හෝ 5කින් වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. හරි. ප්‍රශ්න 6ක් දෙනවා. ඒ 6ට ඕගොල්ලෝ උත්තර ලියලා අපිට WhatsApp message දාන්න ඕනේ. දැන්ම අපි මේ උත්තර මාක් කරලා ලකුණු වැඩි හොඳටම ලකුණු ගන්න ළමයින්ට මොනවද මම අපි දෙන්න තීරණය කළා දෙනවා ඔයගලන්ට ඩිවයිසස් ටිකක් ඉදිරියට ඔයාලා ඔන්ලයින් එක්සැමිනේෂන් ආරම්භ වෙනවා ළමයි IT පැත්තේ වැඩ කරනවා ඔය දිස් වෙන ඔය තියෙන ඒවා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මොනවා හරි ලැබෙයි ළමයි දැක්කම දන්න මොනවාද කියලා මමට වඩා power bank තියෙනවා headphone තියෙනවා නේ ඒ වගේ ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ ඔය ටෙක්නොලොජි එකට යූස් කරන ඇසසරිස් ප්‍රමාණයක් අපි දෙන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා ඒගොල්ලෝම ස්පොන්සර් කරනවා ඒක මිෂන් වන් තමයි කතා කරලා තියෙන්නේ එතකොට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට අපි දාන පේපර් එක ඔයාලට පුළුවන් වාදාපු නැති යාළුවව ඕන කෙනෙකුට කියන්න ඕන කෙනෙකුට මේක වෙන්න පුළුවන් ප්‍රශ්න 6ක් දෙන්නේ පිළිවෙලට පැහැදිලිව හරිය උත්තර දෙන්න අපි මාක් කරනවා මාක් කරපිට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ආපහු WhatsApp කරනවා අපි ඒ අනුව බලමු කවුද මේකේ වින් කරන්න කියලා අපි ඊළඟ 23 වෙනිදා සෙමිනාර් එකේදී අපි ඒක පබ්ලික් කරනවා හරි එතකොට අපි වෙන්ස්ඩේ තමයි දාන්නේ වෙන්ස්ඩේ පේපර් එක දැක්කම ගමන් වෙන්ස්ඩේ 12 වෙනකොට අපිට අප්ලෝඩ් කරලා තියන්න ඕනේ උත්තර පත්‍රේ ප්‍රශ්න ඕනේ නැහැ උත්තර විතරයි නුවන් එහෙම නේද කරන්නේ අපි
ඔව් සර් එහෙම තමයි කරන්නේ සිංහල මාධ්‍ය ඉංග්‍රීසි මාධ්‍ය දෙකම දානවා එතකොට අපි බදාදර 12 වෙනකොට අපිට පේපර් එක අප්ලෝඩ් වෙලා තියෙන්න ඕන 12න් පස්සේ නේම අපි ගන්න නැහැ නේද
ඔව් හරි එහෙනම් 12ට ඉස්සෙල්ලා දාන්න ගියමු එතකොට එතන දැන් ළමයින්ට යම් අදහස් හරි සමහර පාඩම් පැහැදිලි නැතුව ඇති මේ කරපු හැම ගානක්ම හොඳටම තේරෙන්නේ නැතුව ඇති එතකොට ඒගොල්ලෝ ප්‍රශ්න තියෙන හැම කෙනෙක්ම අර නුවන්ගේ WhatsApp නම්බර් එකට තමන්ගේ ගැටලුව තමන්ට අවශ්‍ය උදව්ව මොනවා හරි දාන්න අපි උපරිම වශයෙන් මේ විභාගයට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ප්‍රතිඵලයක් ගන්න අපි කරලා දෙන වැඩසටහන එක්ක ඔයගොල්ලන්ට උදව් කරන්න අපි සූදානම්ෙන් ඉන්නවා අපි ඒක ඊළඟ සතියේදී තවදුරටත් ඒක තහවුරු වෙන්න පුළුවන් එහෙනම් අද මම විශේෂයෙන් මේ කන්නගල් පදනම සංවිධානය කරලා මේ වැඩසටහනට ගණිත විෂය මට ළමයින්ට උගන්වන්න මේ සාකච්ඡා කරන අවස්ථාව අවසර දීම ඒකට තෝරා ගැනීම ගැන මම ස්තුතිවන්ත වෙනවා. ඒ එක්කම අද පැමිණි සියලුම ශිෂ්‍ය ශිෂ්‍යාවන් මම හිතනවා යම් තාක් දුරකට හෝ මේකේ සාර්ථක ප්‍රතිඵලයක් ගන්න නැති තමන්ගේ අඩුපාඩු ඕන දෙයක් තමන් දාන්න මැසේජ් එකක් දාලා තියන අපි ඒ තමන්ට නොතේරිච්ච පාඩම් අහුන වෙච්ච සමහර නොකරිච්ච පාඩම් තියෙන පුළුවන් අපි බලමු පුළුවන් ප්‍රමාණයකට ඔයගලන්ට ඒ උදව්ව කරන්න. එහෙනම් සියලු දෙනාටම සුබ රාත්‍රියක්. Good night all of you.
සුබ රාත්‍රියක් සර්.